friends, it is Running Kimono, and this is my haul today from Walgreens. I do apologize for the lateness of this video. Just a chaotic morning here with Father's Day. My deal went really well where I got this basket down to $3. So I think after everything's said and done, I had 2 snags, and it was this that caused a bunch of problems. But other than that, it was really fantastic. Now I know a lot of you don't have similar boosters, so I'm gonna do the basket and I'm gonna do the items one by one, just to show you what I did. And it was a really good haul today. Again, 2 little snags from this, but we'll talk about that. And Bath & Body Works, some real cheap items at a regular store, not an outlet, and I just wanted to share that as well. And then we're hosting a little giveaway in celebration of Father's Day. We're going to be giving away a Scrub Daddy and a couple of inserts to one of you guys, so stay tuned for that at the end. Okay, weather report for you guys. It is humid and gross out here. About 75 degrees, but it feels like 90. Just the humidity, you can cut it with a knife. So not really enjoying that today, but it is what it is. And we desperately need rain. Look at my lawn. It's like, it looks like I don't know, like it's a drought of some sort. It has not rained, guys, in a long time. So it is pretty bare out there. Okay, so first store we're gonna talk about is Walgreens. And I'm gonna talk about these deals one by one and then talk about them in a larger basket, because I had one of those spend 20 get back $5 in Walgreens cash, along with 5 spend 35 get back 8. So I needed a $35 basket. So first item that we're going to talk about is this with the Dove. Now this morning on the app, these were ringing up BOGO 50% off. When I was in the store, they were ringing up $7.49 each. So that was a little painful, but I still did it. So I would recommend, unless this is your favorite thing, I would pass on it. If you have the 5 back when you spend 20, 2 digital coupons, and you want to try and make this happen, if you can talk to customer service with no problems, no issues, or if you have a nice manager who will help you out, because the $5.99 off of 2 for this will not come off. The 6 off of 2 for this came off perfectly. Although some of you were telling me in the comments that if you do it as a curbside pickup, the $5.99 off of 2 comes off beautifully. So who really knows what the story is? It's still really expensive. So unless you had the boosters, like that, like a 5 back, when you spend 20, I wouldn't do this deal. So and it's just me being honest. $7.49, $3.47, and then $14.98 for these 2, for a total of $21.26. Now, the 6 off of 2 came off beautifully for this. $5.99 did not. The manager gave me a credit. So anyhow, let's just pretend that the $5.99 came off for this. I would pay $14.21 cash out of pocket, because this is a spend offer for the deal and the booster. And then after I would pay, I would get back $10 in Walgreens cash. 5 for spending the $20, and then 5 for spending 20 on Dove. So it would make it $4.21 for the 4 or $1.05 each. And I also got back 25 cents from the Fetch Rewards app. So hey, that's a little something. And as stated, the $5.99 off of 2 did not come off for this. So the manager just put $6 of points on my, or Walgreens cash on my card. So again, I would just emphasize not to do this deal, to pay $1 per, unless this is your favorite thing and you can manage to get that $5.99 back from customer service or some other way. It's just a pain, guys. It's a real pain. So that was Dove, and I'm not impressed with that. And if they're going to give us a digital coupon, it should be in fact working. So the Purex is our next little deal. This guy is $1.99. On a website, there is a $1 printable. So you would pay 99 cents, and then IBOTTA has a $1 rebate, essentially making it completely for free. Verbiage on the coupon is very strict. 1 coupon per household per day, that sort of stuff, because it's a Hankler coupon. So I only grabbed 1 lonely detergent. Another really fantastic deal with the Mio. This Mio is $2.99. There is 700 points back from Shopkick, which is basically $2.80. So it basically makes it 18 cents after everything is said and done. Suavitel Palmolive, these guys are $2.49 a piece. So that's a total of $4.98. We have a 50 center for both the Palmolive and the Suavitel, taking off $1, guys. You're paying $3.98, getting back $2 in Walgreens cash, making it $1.99 for the two, or 99 cents per, fabric softener or detergent. Last little item that I got, because I couldn't help myself, is the Quilted Northern. This guy is $5.99. We have a $1 digital coupon dropping it down to $4.99. So hi, that is a fantastic price point. Okay, so I gave you the prices itemized for each little item. For this whole basket was $42.16. Now I had, let's just pretend this coupon came off, $5.99 off of two, the 6 off of two, $1 digital for that, 50 cent dollar. So after all of those coupons, it's $27.16. And I had to pay cash out of pocket for this because I had the spend 35 get back 8 and the spend 20 get back 5, which are spend boosters. Along with this guy, it was a spend booster of spend 20 get back 5. So pay that 27 cash bills out of pocket, got back $20 in Walgreens cash, and then I also got back $1 from IBOTTA for the Purex, and then I got back $2.80 from Shopkick for this. So after everything's said and done, it's like $3.16 for this basket of goodness for the 9 items, or 35 cents each. Not the worst Sunday. A lot of you are kind of on the fence about signing up for IBOTTA, but when you can get something like free detergent, it's totally what it's about. You should absolutely check out this app. It's really great, guys. Check out the link in the notes, and when you use my specific link, I think you're gonna get a $20 bonus when you submit your first qualifying receipt. If you wanna go for this Purex, I mean, it's free detergent plus a $20 bonus, so like $21. Wouldn't that be a great way to start off your week? So check out IBOTTA. It is a terrific, terrific app. So other than the couple little snags, this one not too thrilled about, but the manager and the staff at this store, they're so kind to always make things great. So I'm really happy with it. And I'm really excited to try this as well too. And it's sugar-free, so I'm looking forward to that. So that was Walgreens. Guys, so over at Meijer, Meijer is a grocery store predominantly in the Midwest. They have this stuff called summer savings. So if you go to your M-Perks, lots of percentage off for various items through the store. Some of this stuff is for outdoorsy stuff. It's called summer savings. I think they're doing this to kind of compete with Amazon Prime Days for the next 2 days. So this is from the 21st to 22nd, which is a Monday and Tuesday only. So one of the free items is the Clean Cult. So it's one of their products. It's one per M-Perk. And remember, it's only on Monday and Tuesday. So I would definitely load this one and get something for free on Monday or Tuesday. Also, the Suave body wash, that is $1.99. Grabbing 2 of them, there's automatic savings plus this M perk, which would make 2 Suave body washes for free. That's all week long over there. The last little freebie that we have is with the Klondike Minis for $5.39. Well, on the Fetch Rewards app, if you go to your Discoveries page, bottom left-hand corner, see if you might have this rebate for a free product, and you can get it 100%. So you would pay that $5.39, and then the app would give you 5,390 points, making it completely for free. And if you have not signed up for that one, check out the link in the notes. Use my code, get an extra $2 when you photograph your first receipt. It could be this or a taco you bought yesterday. So it's just a lot of little freebies perking up over at Meijer. Nice to see, because it has been really like a desert over there for deals for the last couple of months. So if you missed it on, I think Monday or Tuesday, I posted a video for the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale, and we're jumping into week 2 of this. Now, I am a huge lover of Bath & Body Works. I just absolutely adore this stuff. I think their design and everything is just so cute, and it's just great products, and this stuff really creates an atmosphere that is your home. So specifically what I'm looking for is 75% off candles, because I'm a candle addict. And these are 2 that I found at a regular store. It wasn't an outlet, just a regular store. So the first one is Love, and this looks like for any occasion. It's the Rosewater Ivy. And this is a 3-wick candle, guys, so it's quite large. And it was $6.12. Now these 2 little single wicks, which are strawberry pound cake, how delicious is that? $3.62 each. So I think the original price point was $14.50 for this, and $24.50 for the 3 wicks by Bath & Body Works. So I bought a gift card for 20 bucks to pay this down. I didn't even have to open my wallet. So it was a really good thing over at Bath & Body Works. And don't forget, when you're in the store, the little wrappings and the little tags and bows and stuff, always load up on this, because if you're anything like me, I always like to gift candles, you know, to the in-laws or my sister-in-law or somebody, you know, really nice, just to give a candle. I just think it's one of the nicest gifts you can give somebody, something I really enjoy giving. So you have, I think, until the first week of July for this sale, or this July 11th-ish. What's that, the second week of July? You might want to check it out. They have this sale, I think, twice a year. They have it in the wintertime and then in the summertime, and they are just releasing candles like every other day. They're throwing out a couple at 75% off. So I might go in once a week and buy all of them. So how great is that? Guys, so I'm going to show you some coupons from my friend Sandra. She's based out of California. If you're interested in getting in touch with her, she has them up for sale. And I'm going to give away some of these along with Mr. Scrub Daddy. We're going to have one winner. If you want to participate in this, in the comments, let me know where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. 1 entry per person, and good luck with this one. And I will pick the winner for this on Wednesday. How does that sound? And it's just in celebration of Father's Day. We did it for Mother's Day, and you guys really seem to enjoy it. So we have one for Father's Day and one winner as well. And so also to participate in this, you got to be a subscriber to my channel, and also go give Sandra a follow here on her YouTube page. I know she's looking for some subbies and some love over there. So we're just going to see what she has here. And these are from the 613 inserts. And I think she has some of these still up for grabs along with the 620, which is this weekend. So visit her page if you want to see what she has. She has a link tree and an email as well, because she has all of her stuff there, like if you just want to see what she has up for grabs. Ooh, Airwick stuff. Okay, and then we're just going to go through this one real quick. Oh, some Gain as well. And some vitamins. Okay, So I'm going to link all of her stuff in the notes if you want to go and check out what she has up for sale, and also her email if you want to send her an old-fashioned one. She's usually pretty quick to get back to you guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.